Jopuonjre mag higa mokwongo e mbalariany osechako donjo e mbalariany ma opogore kama oriwo Machakos igatone kind mamoko e kinde ma ywak nitie ni piny owacho pok ochwalo omenda mar somo ne jopuonjrego. Thoth jopuonjre ma donjo e sikunde ochulo omenda kowuok e ofuko ka thothgi to odonjo maonge chudo moro amora kaluwore gi kata omenda ma owinjo chul pok or kod sikunde. Jalup Chancellor ma Machakos Joyce Agalo koni oserwako jopuonjre 3,000 mag higa mokwongo kendo pod orito mamoko 1,000. Thoth jopuonjre ma higni manyime bende chako dok e sikunde bang' yweyo malach chak dwe mar 9.
Mungu kwa government ni that i support wengine juu wengi wameachwa nyumbani wakifikiria kujoin ni ngumu like juu ya mambo na fee. Wengi hawana uwezo, wazazi wao hawana uwezo. Wametry scholarships lakini wamekosa connections.
Wameshadimitiwa watoto na hakuna kitu tumelipa. Na hiyo tunaomba serikali alipe hiyo pesa kwa sababu hatujapata. Na usiji kama kesho shule anaambia sisi mlipe. Na hatujalipa sasa chochote.
Today we were admitting our first year students at Machakos University. We were expecting 4,336 students. So far about 3,000 have reported.
Tunaweza uliza ni mambo na ka help hivi, unajua expect kuna challenges napata like government mali inaweza saidia mambo na help university funding na hizo vitu juu sometimes unakutanga help inachelewa kutoka na sometimes students who suffer.
I would just like to appeal to all the students who may not have joined us today that we are receiving all our students even as we wait for the issues of fees to be cleared. But as for now, we are admitting all our students irrespective of whatever amount they have come with, especially for the hostels. That is what we are currently asking them to consider the payment. For the others, we are waiting for the communication for us to be given.